Hi, this is Susan Trumbull, your Tobii Dynavox AAC Solutions Consultant in Western New York State. Last week, I recorded a video for you to show you how to program a button in SnapCore First to open directly to a web link. Today, I'm going to show you how you can program that same button to open computer control as well, so the user then has access to that web page with eye gaze. So I have two buttons I've already pre-programmed here. One is opening up already to an elephant video, and the other one is opening up to my Amazon home shopping page. So the first thing I need to do is I need to program each of these buttons to open to computer control. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Edit. I'm going to select my button, and basically what I need to do is add an action to that button to launch an application, and that application is going to be computer control. So I'm going to select computer control. Now you can see when I do that, that button is going to launch computer control and launch my web page that I had previously programmed. I'm going to do the same thing for my Amazon button. So I'm going to go to Amazon. The Amazon button, I'm going to add an action. I'm going to launch an application, and I want to launch computer control. So now that button is also programmed to launch computer control and launch Amazon. So now when I open up one of those buttons, you'll see my eye gaze starting. I'm going to open my elephants button. It is going to open directly to my elephants web page, and my computer control opens at the same time. So some basic things like this, you actually want, let me see if I can turn that off real quick. Okay, sorry about that. So basically someone using this kind of web page might only want left clicks. So your web page can open up into anything from games, online games, slides that you're sharing, but you want that person only to have access to a left click because that's the level of user they're at. So you can see this one single button is just a left click, and when I gaze and hold, it will left click any of our links on this page.
But first, we're heading to Kenya.
Now, how do you do that? If I look down, and I'm going to pause my eyes for just a second, I'm going to look down, and I'm actually going to bring up my menu. So I'm going to close out my simplified click, and I'm going to look down. I'm going to bring up my computer control settings. And when I do that, you're going to look over to the right and go to your mode. And right now I want to change the application mode. So when I do that, you can see that there's an advanced and a simplified mode. So I have this set up for simplified for this user. So anytime that computer control will open up on this person's device, it will open up in a simplified mode. Okay. The next example I'm going to show you is for a user that is an advanced user. So I'm going to switch that to advanced. So the next time I open it up, it's going to open in our advanced mode. I'm going to go into my app switcher. I'm going to go back to Snap. Now I'm going to open up my Amazon page. You can see computer control closes. Now I open up my Amazon page. At the same time, my computer control is going to open. And since I've set it up for advanced mode, it should open right up into our advanced mode. So I look, bring up my menu, and single click or double click, whatever I want. Okay. I want to go back to Snap. I look down, bring up my settings, or actually, I'm sorry, bring up my app switcher is what I meant to do. Look down, go to my app switcher, and go back to Snap. Computer control closes, and we're all set. So that's basically how you program one button to open up computer control in both simplified and advanced mode. So if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me, susan.trumbull@tobiidynavox.com or 585-490-0945. Thanks a lot.